Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Grown Guitar and to talented Emtee, who was with us here now and released songs recently. We gonna cover Amanga this time, Read the Room. Alright, so I'm gonna give you three different ways of handling this song. Basically, it's two chords only, so it goes back and forth between the A minor and E minor. We'll come to that first. The setup, we have the capo set here on the second fret. Why? Because we have this pattern going on and we want it to be as comfortable as possible. And yeah, it's always better to find the easiest way. So this is the one, capo on the second fret. Let's go with the two chords. And we're gonna look at A minor, which goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's A minor, and the second and final chord will be E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so like I said, two chords, A minor, E minor, A minor, E minor, through the entire song. Now let's go into the first style of playing this one, and that will be to play the notes, the finger picking here. So we're gonna start with the A minor pattern. It goes like this. Okay, three notes, and that will be second fret D string, second G, and first B. You just roll it like that for 4 rounds. Okay, that's the A minor part. Now into the E minor. And what you do here, you just release the B and G string to get the open strings there, and you keep that second fret D string. So the pattern now will be that, and that will be open B, second D, and open G. And you do that for 4 rounds. And that's it. So A minor and E minor. Right? So that is how it goes, and you start to practice slowly and then work your way up to the standard tempo. And the challenging part here with this is first and foremost the speed, but also the break in between A minor and E minor, because when you play the second D, second G, and first B for the last time in A minor, when you go over to the E minor, you're gonna play the B string again, okay? So the last note in A minor was the B string, and now you're gonna play it to turn around and play that B string again as the first note in E minor. So that is a little bit of a challenging part, so the break will be that is moment where you have to really get your fingers correctly there. But anyway, I think you can handle that. That's the first way of playing it with the melody. Now we have two more ways of playing left, just basically two different strumming patterns, right? So we will grab the full chord here, the A minor, E minor, and the first one will be down, down, clap, down. Okay, so very slowly, and you're gonna do that 1 round per chord. So down, down, clap, down. A minor and E minor. Okay, that's the first strumming style. And the second and last way of handling this is to graduate up this strumming into a little bit faster paced. Now we'll play down, up, down, up, down, up, then clap, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up for 3 times, then a clap, and then up, down, up. Okay? So like this slowly. That is 1 round, okay, and you're gonna play 1 round per chord, A minor and E minor, like this. Alright, so that's how we handle Emtee's Amanga with the faster strumming. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 2 chords only, and start with the style that is easier for you, and then you can try the other ones as well. So good luck with that one, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, and I hope to see you soon again on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.